Today I have the OnePlus 7 Pro 8GB plus 256GB variant with me, and let's see and unbox this thing. So first of all, we have the cover and what looks like the SIM ejection tool. Yeah, the cover is the same transparent cover that we get with any other OnePlus phone. And yeah, here's the SIM ejection tool as expected. So here are the OnePlus stickers, OnePlus and never settle. Great to see them again. So let's put this aside for a minute. And this is the phone itself. I'll come back to the phone later. First of all, yeah, this is just a simple welcome manual. Other than that, we have a USB to USB Type-C port for charging, and in that same red accent that we love so much. That's good. And it's a very long cable too, as you can see. So next up, I think this time we have a even faster charger. Yeah, we have a warp charger here, guys. This is a 30 watt capacity charger, so it's even faster than the previous generation, which is dope. And again, it is in the same red accent that we love so much. So now let's put all of this aside and focus on this beautiful device here. And let's just, well, I've already taken off the main peels, but this thing is remaining. Yeah, so this is the phone itself, and this is the Nebula Blue version, and as you can see, it looks damn pretty. Let me just show you by booting it up first, but let me show you the overview. And the bottom, it has the charging port, the SIM ejection tool, charging port, and yeah, it's the reversible charging port, so it's a Type-C. And we also have the speaker grills down there. By the time it boots up, let me show you the basic configurations. So let's talk about the performance. It has a Snapdragon 855 processor with 6 gigs of RAM. You can also get the 12GB variant if you want. The display, it's a 6.67 inch Fluid AMOLED display, which is 3120 by 1440 pixels wide. It has a 1515 ppi, so that's good, and it has a 90 Hz panel. Also, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. After that, it has a triple camera setup with the primary camera being 48 megapixel and the other two are 16 and 8 megapixels. It has a dual LED flash with a 16 megapixel pop-up front facing camera. After that, the battery life is also good. It's a 4000 mAh battery with warp charging support, which is 30 watt power, so it's a very quick charging. So now let us see the pop-up front camera. And here it is. It also has a nice little blue animation just below it. And now when you scroll through the menus, all of those will be the front camera. So the video, photo modes, everything's there. And yes, if you push it, it doesn't resist. So that's something that you should know. So let us look at some other features. Let me go ahead with the settings and show you the Android version. Here it is. So it has all the model info, the processor info, as well as the camera info. So you can see it has Android version 9. So now let us quickly see the camera here once again. So just see how quick the response is for switching the cameras. It's really great. And Yeah, here in the video mode you also have 4K and 60 FPS recording. That's also nice. Yes, we also have slow motion here. Let me try that out quick. So here it is. As you can see, it's a very nicely framed video. Frame rate is also very good. And you can also customize the exact time for which you have to slow your video. Thanks for watching, guys.